Welcome. Today, we're reviewing the Montessori pouring activity and showing you how to make it even more fun with the Kiwico Water Table. This activity is ideal for kids aged 3, 6, and helps with fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and independence. You'll learn about the materials needed, setting up the environment, step-by-step demonstration, and tips for encouraging your child and managing spills. Join us to discover how this enjoyable activity can boost your child's confidence and abilities. Our first step is to choose some colorful and fun containers for pouring. With the Kiwico Water Sensory Table, the possibilities are endless. The Kiwico Water Table is an educational play toy that engages children in sensory play, sparking their curiosity about the world around them. This interactive toy stimulates cognitive development through hands-on learning experiences, enhancing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Now, let's start the fun pouring activity. Children develop social skills and communication by sharing the table and its accessories, encouraging teamwork, turn-taking, and verbal communication. For parents and educators looking to bring more fun into their Montessori activities, the Kiwico Water Table is an excellent choice. It provides endless opportunities for exploration, learning, and growth. Kids explore different textures, colors, and shapes, improving their sensory processing skills. The table includes cups, funnels, and water wheels for creative problem solving. Pouring activities are not only fun, but also beneficial for your child's development. They help improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and teach concepts like volume and capacity. The Kiwico Water Table is a fantastic tool for enhancing cognitive development, offering a well-rounded learning experience that is both fun and engaging. Try this fun activity at home and let us know how much your little ones enjoy it. Look at how the water flows through the colorful funnels and wheels. Encourage your child to observe and explore how different containers and accessories make the water dance. At Montessori Workshops, we believe learning should be fun and engaging. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Kiwico Water Table. We hope you found this review helpful. Happy playing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun and educational content from Montessori Workshops.